morning and welcome to Sulsel Update in English with me, Rasni Gani. I'm bringing you to the latest news update from South Sulawesi, covering information of economic, politics, education and lifestyle. And here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. Massive flood struck dozens of cities and regencies in South Sulawesi this week. The flood hit the roads and thousands of houses were drowning in high heat water. The disaster happened in capital city Makassar, Maros Regency, Goa Regency, Palopo City, Sopeng Regency, and many others. The water level in the most area reached adult thigh. The worst location reached an adult neck. Fortunately, there's no victims in this tragedy. More than 10,000 people evacuated from their houses. They stayed in the most relatives' house or government office area. For their safety, citizens stay at the shelter after the condition becomes better. They are afraid of another flood. The representative of Indonesian Agency for Meteorological, Climatological and Geophysics said the flooding that surrounded Makassar city earlier this week was due to the rainfall in the last 3 days. Even this rainfall is the highest in the last 20 years in Makassar city. Now moving on to the next top story. Extremely sad, father died 20 minutes after seeing his son's dead body. Sad news from Nurul Novita's family, residents of Pao Pao, Sombaopo District, Goa Regency. Her husband Ghazali and her father-in-law Dahlan died in the same day. Dahlan died only 20 minutes after seeing Ghazali's body this Tuesday. Dahlan was reportedly shocked to see his son die. Ghazali was the first found dead by his wife. Novita found her husband lying on the warehouse to the second floor of the house. Novita's father, Andi Once, said that after Ghazali was found dead, he told his daughter to inform Dahlan. Dahlan stays only 1 block away from his son's house. When he arrived at the funeral home, Dahlan immediately felt weak to see his son had died. After that, Dahlan fell unconscious and passed away. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day. This has been Rasni Gani.